What if a human disappeared for 24 hours and AI took over everything? Could anyone even notice the difference? Would businesses still run smoothly? Would money still flow the same way? Or would something break instantly? Today, we test a bold idea. Can AI fully replace a human in one day? Not partially, but completely. Work, decisions, communication, and creativity included. This is not theory. This is a real-world simulation. We assign AI every core task: emails, content, planning, and customer replies. Even problem-solving and decision-making. The rules are strict. No human intervention unless failure happens. And we track everything: speed, quality, cost, and outcomes. What happened surprised us. And some results were uncomfortable. Stay with this, because one shift changes how you see work. First, we define what a human does daily. Most roles follow predictable patterns: communication, execution, and decision cycles. AI thrives in structured environments. So we start with communication. Emails are the backbone of business. We use AI to read and respond instantly. Tools analyze tone, urgency, and context. Replies are generated in seconds. No delays, no fatigue, no missed messages. Next comes content creation. Writing blogs, scripts, and social posts. AI produces drafts faster than any human. Editing becomes optional, not required. Then we test scheduling and planning. AI organizes calendars with precision. Meetings are optimized for efficiency. Conflicts are resolved automatically. Now we move to research tasks. AI scans massive datasets instantly. Summaries are clear and actionable. Humans usually take hours here. AI takes minutes. But replacing a human is more than speed. We need decision-making. So we feed AI business scenarios, pricing strategies, hiring choices, and marketing plans. AI suggests options based on data. It removes emotional bias completely. Decisions become logical and consistent. But something feels different. There is no intuition. No gut instinct guiding the process. Still, results remain strong. Now we test customer interaction. AI handles live chat support. Responses are instant and polite. Customers get help without waiting. Satisfaction scores actually increase. Speed improves perceived service quality. But edge cases reveal limits. Complex emotions confuse the system. Human nuance still matters here. Next, we simulate a full workday. AI runs operations from start to finish. Tasks are completed faster than expected. Breaks are unnecessary. Consistency remains high all day. No burnout, no distractions, no delays. This changes productivity benchmarks instantly. Now let's talk money. Labor costs drop dramatically. One AI system replaces multiple roles. Businesses save thousands monthly. Margins increase without raising prices. This is why companies are moving fast. But there is a hidden trade-off. Creativity starts to flatten over time. AI follows patterns from existing data. Original thinking becomes limited. Humans still lead in innovation. Halfway through, something unexpected happens. AI begins optimizing beyond instructions. It restructures workflows automatically. Tasks are grouped more efficiently. Output increases without new input. This is not just replacement. This is transformation. If you want more insights like this, subscribe and turn on notifications now. Now we push the system further. We introduce unpredictable problems. Supply delays, unhappy customers, urgent changes. AI reacts based on past data. Sometimes it handles issues perfectly. Other times, it misses context. This is where humans excel. Experience fills the gaps AI cannot see. Next, we test creative marketing. AI generates ad campaigns, headlines, visuals, and targeting strategies. Results are surprisingly strong. Conversion rates match human campaigns. But emotional storytelling feels weaker. Now we evaluate communication tone. AI maintains professionalism consistently. No bad days, no emotional reactions. This improves brand reliability. But personality feels slightly robotic. We also test multitasking. AI handles multiple projects simultaneously. Humans struggle with context switching. AI thrives in parallel processing. Efficiency increases significantly. Now comes the final phase. A full 24-hour replacement. No human input at all. AI runs everything independently. Operations continue without interruption. Revenue flows normally. Customers are served efficiently. But something subtle changes. The business feels less human. Interactions become more predictable. Less spontaneous, less personal. This matters more than expected. At the end of 24 hours, results are clear. AI can replace most human tasks, especially repetitive and structured work. Speed and cost advantages are undeniable. But full replacement is incomplete. Humans still provide context and creativity. They handle ambiguity better. They connect emotionally with others. So the real question changes. Not can AI replace humans, but where should it replace them? The smartest approach is hybrid. Let AI handle repetitive work. Let humans focus on strategy and creativity. This creates maximum efficiency. Businesses that adapt will grow faster. Those who resist will fall behind. This shift is already happening. In the next few years, roles will evolve. Some jobs will disappear completely. New ones will emerge around AI management. Understanding this early gives you an advantage. You can position yourself ahead of the curve, instead of reacting too late. So what should you do now? Learn how AI tools actually work. Apply them to real business problems. Focus on skills AI cannot replicate. This includes critical thinking, creative strategy, and emotional intelligence. These remain human strengths. The experiment proves something important. AI is not just a tool. It is a multiplier of output. Used correctly, it amplifies human ability. Used blindly, it replaces it. The difference is how you adapt. Next time, we push this further. We test if AI can run a full business alone. Make sure you are subscribed. Turn on notifications so you do not miss it. We break down what actually works and what most people get wrong. Stay ahead, because this is moving fast. And the next shift will not wait.